Has this ever happened to you? One morning, your partner or spouse wakes you up frantically, telling you that your whole downstairs is flooded? Well, that happened to us. And although the electronics in this studio were totally fine and safe, well, except for this thing, we did lose some things that were irreplaceable. So, with that in mind, I highly recommend everybody get something like this for your household. This is the leak alert Wi-Fi from Zircon. And huge thanks to Zircon for sending this out our way. I completely wish that we had something like this before our unfortunate incident. But I will say, not only is this something that I feel everybody should have in their households, it's extremely simple to set up. The construction of this device is extremely simplistic. It's got this see-through plastic, which really resonates with me as a 90s kid. You can see the motherboard or the computing board inside, the battery, which is a CR123A battery, and this giant siren that actually emits 105 dBs of audio, sound. It's a siren. It's a very loud siren that will just go off for hours or until the battery gets depleted. In addition to the audio notification that you and your whole neighborhood is going to be able to hear, this is Wi-Fi. So when you connect this to your Wi-Fi router and there is a leak of some sort, you'll get notifications on your mobile device. And that's where this loses me. The setup process feels like early 2010. There's no app whatsoever. Everything is done through their mobile website. And it's very easy to navigate, truly. But it looks like the early 2010s. And when it comes to setting up a notification, it doesn't notify you via the phone. It'll notify you via your email. And if you're like me, during the night, you have Do Not Disturb set on. So you're not going to get any notification from your email until the next morning. So if you're away on business or you're not in the house, you're A, not going to hear the 105 decibel alarm, and B, your email notifications, well, it's moot. Still, that audio notification, like I mentioned, everybody's going to hear it. But look, even with that very loud audio notification, for the price of one of these from Zircon, there are a bunch of different offers out there where you can have multiple water detector sensors in multiple rooms, and they all funnel through your mobile device via an app. And so it's a higher likelihood you're going to get the audio notifications from this and the app instead of just being silenced or on vibrate through email. But with all that being said, I am still going to continue using this because you never know what can happen. We live in a townhouse that was built in the 80s and hasn't been updated since. And so thank you, Zircon, for sending this. This is still going to be useful. I just wish that there was an app for it as well. So with that all being mentioned and thrown out there, if you have any other questions or comments, please leave those in the comment section down below. Links, as always, can be found in the description below. And until the next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Later. Hi.